It's been a warm couple of days here in the Bluegrass, but unfortunately, things are going to cool off a little bit as we head into the weekend. Welcome to the Bluegrass Weather Report for Friday, February 24th, 2023. I'm Meteorologist Shane Smith, and I hope you have enjoyed the near record warmth we've had across Kentucky the last couple of days, because things are about to cool down. And that's because we have a cold front right on top of the state as we speak. I'm recording this around 10 o'clock on Thursday night, and you can see showers stretching along the Ohio River all the way from Portsmouth, Ohio, back towards Vanceburg and Maysville, over towards Dry Ridge, Owenton, LaGrange, down to Louisville, E-Town, Hardinsburg, Owensboro, Morganfield. You're seeing rain right now, and this is going to push eastward overnight. We'll see a broken line of showers coming our way. Not a soggy evening overall, just a few light and scattered showers. But as that cold front dives to the south and the east, we are going to see some much cooler air move into the Commonwealth. So let's show you how it all plays out using the North American Mesoscale model tonight. It's showing that most of the shower action dies down over the next few hours, and then we see just cooler conditions on Friday. Spotty shower or two on Saturday as a weak area of low pressure rolls through the Commonwealth. It's not a washout by any stretch of the imagination, but a few scattered showers for your Saturday. And then as we go into Sunday, high pressure builds back in, and we warm up a little bit, but we're not going to stay dry for long as another big-time frontal system is going to head our way. So let's take a look at those temperatures as we head into Friday morning. Lows are going to be all over the board. Northern Kentucky, you're going to be in the upper 20s. Louisville and Lexington into the 30s. Paducah, low 30s. Bowling Green near 40. Southeastern Kentucky, low 40s for you. We are going to see a wide range in the afternoon. Southern Kentucky should be near 50. Central Kentucky, mid 40s. Northern Kentucky, lower 40s. We wake up on Saturday morning. Once again, Southern Kentucky into the 40s, Central Kentucky into the mid to upper 30s, Northern Kentucky near the freezing mark. Now, as we go into Sunday, we're going to see a little bit of a warm-up. Still cool to start the morning. Northern Kentucky and near Louisville wake up into the upper 20s. Central Kentucky near 40, Southern Kentucky near 40, and then by the afternoon, mid 50s. So a pretty nice Sunday heading your way with dry conditions. But a big storm system is going to blow up off to our west on Monday, and that will arrive in western Kentucky early afternoon and then push eastward. And this does have the chance to produce some severe weather and some gusty winds. In fact, let's take a look. This is outside of thunderstorms. The wind gust may rage 50 to 60 miles per hour. Check out there at E-Town. This is at noon Central Time on Monday. 50 mile per hour wind gusts Louisville, 60 in E-Town, 55 Bowling Green. And that's not including thunderstorms. It could be even higher there. So that is a pretty potent system coming through on Monday. We'll have to watch out for the severe weather threat on that. The majority of the rest of the week looks dry until we get into Thursday. That's when we could see rain ahead of a system that develops. And the GFS is splitting this into two different systems and is trying to bring snow in here on Friday. Now, you snow lovers have been asking for it. Not all the models are saying that. Here's how this plays out according to the European model. It's showing the big storm system on Monday, very similar with the wind and the timing of the precipitation. But this is when we go into that Thursday system, notice it is keeping things much more consolidated into one single system that is heading up towards the Great Lakes, and that has been the predominant storm track this winter, so it wouldn't surprise me if this ends up being closer to how things actually play out instead of the GFS model. And that would mean severe weather Friday, potentially, leading into some wraparound wintry, very light precipitation on Saturday. Not a great chance of that. What we will see a pretty good chance of is a couple of cool-offs, though, happening. You can see we're going only into the highs for most of the state 40s Friday and Saturday, near 60 Sunday, Monday near 70 as temperatures spike ahead of that front, and then pretty close to average or just above it for most of next week before that next system rolls in on Friday. So overall, the forecast continuing to be active every couple of days with a big wind-driven storm. That has been the theme for the last several weeks here in Kentucky, and that shows no signs of letting up anytime soon. Well, friends, thank you so much for tuning in to the Bluegrass Weather Report. If you like what we're doing here, you're finding value in our forecast, hit that like button, and better yet, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so we can give you up-to-the-date weather information. I'll be back on WKYT for one last weekend here in February. Then I'm going to be taking some time off away from TV, and we'll still be doing things here on the Bluegrass Weather Report, so be sure to keep tuning in for that. That's all I have for now. Until next time, friends, take care and stay weather aware. Bye!